Hey everybody, Jeff Joyner here, and I'm coming to you from Cedar Point. Just rode Siren's Curse. I'm up here to speak at a conference here in Sandusky tomorrow, so I decided to come on over and ride a few rides, and so had a great ride on Siren's Curse. I think I was in row 9. It's super cool. I really liked it. Drop was unique. It was fun. It's kind of a gimmick, but it's a cool gimmick. Super whippy, great transitions, very comfortable restraints. I like a lot. All right, just got my 5th ride on Siren's Curse. The last 2 times in the front row, I have to tell you, that coaster is way better in the front row. You can see the track coming down and connecting. It's really awesome. I like it. Definitely the best Vekoma I've ever ridden. I haven't ridden Guardians. I didn't ride. They just were building Fly at Phantasialand in Germany when we were there, and so I haven't ridden some of the best ones in the world, but my second favorite coaster here at Cedar Point behind Top Thrill 2. I highly recommend it. It was awesome. Get out here to Cedar Point and ride Siren's Curse.